So hi guys, I will show you how to make burger. So this is the buns. So this is the gourmet buns, and this is the veggie burger. So I will put here, and this is tomato. Then this is the cheese and lettuce. Then I will put the tomato, it's and veggie. Then I will put the cheese. Very easy. Yeah, so sarap. Then I will put lettuce. So yummy. Then we put the cover. Charan! Yan, so yummy. Yan. So it's very easy. Yeah, quick, healthy burger, organic food, homemade food made by me. It's yummy burger, healthy, no preservatives, no additives, all natural. Yeah, healthy lifestyle, healthy food, healthy living. Thank you, Lord.